trading the New Zealand yen, because simply the spread is usually too high on the New Zealand yen. But I want you to look at this chart, and you can see that it is pretty much stronger than, I mean, all of the yen pairs look pretty much the same. Look at this image here. All the charts for the yen pretty much looks the same. You got the momentum and then it goes sideways, and then the Aussie yen was a little bit, take an image, look at this here. So look at this. Let me put the Aussie yen. Pretty much the same, the congestion, and then it breaks to the upside. The CAD yen, it's a little bit a bigger spike. You can see there is a bigger spike in the CAD yen because again there is a bigger room for the upside. But if you look at the New Zealand yen, they all pretty much look the same, but this one here, that has the smallest congestion and the biggest breakout to the upside. So that is, we have a pretty good potential move to the upside in the Aussie, in the New Zealand yen. But keep in mind, the reason it is not, the spread is a little bit high on the New Zealand. But let's do this. This is 68.90. I'm sorry, it's 969.12. And if you look here, looking at this chart, this, I have a bear market that's coming down. This is a congestion. That is the last failure to make a lower low. That is my structural point. And right there is my structural point to the upside, which is the 69.12. It is also pretty much the high of April 2010. It is pretty much also the high of October 2009. And if I put a weekly chart just to condense it a little bit, you can see now the beauty of understanding the price structure, the chart structure, identifying the failure and identifying the breakout points to the upside. Any trade above the 69.12, that will be a major breakout to the upside, and that would be a big trend change. So it's a very good opportunity for us to identify, because we have a bear market in the yen, and now we have we're sitting pretty much close to the structural point, which is 69.12. We are now at 68.65. We're 30 pips away from it. So that is a very good opportunity for us. So let me put that structure point over here, which is 69.12. And looking at this intraday chart, you can see how magnificent that trend is to the upside. It's actually the best trending chart to the upside within all the yen pairs. So with this, it's clear for us we will only go short below the 68.24. So below the 68.24, this is our selling point. Our stop is going to be right above the 60. We're going to keep, it's a counter trend, so we're going to keep a tight stop, which is going to be 68.36. On the upside, we're going to buy it above 68.73. This is going to be our buying point, 68.73. Our stop is going to be below the 68.40, which is below the range. So our stop is going to be here. Okay, and our structural long point is the 69.12. So for the New Zealand yen, we are going to buy it above 68.80. We have a structural long point at 69.12, which is a big trend changing point, and our stop is going to be 68.45. On the short side, we're going to go short below, that was our short point, going to go short below 68.24. And if we go short below 68.24, our stop again will remain the same. I'm going to use the 68.45 as my long and short stop. And my structure short point, I have to identify that from the chart. There isn't really. I think this is here is my structure, because this was the trend change over here, so my structure short point is going to be there, which is 66.53. So my structure short point is going to be the 66.53. So I'm buying the New Zealand yen above 66.80, 68.80. If I do, I have a structural long point 30 pips away, which is a big significant breakout point at 69.12. My stop is going to be 68.45, and on the short side I'm going to go short below 68.24. If I do, I have a structure short point at 66.53, and I'm using the same stop, which is 68.45. Okay, that is the New Zealand yen. So let me save that.